Today's Aston Martin is one that we love and cherish because we did the entire car. It is a 1962 DB4 Series 4. It's painted Aston Martin Almond Green. Not often used, but as you can see, it really looks exceptional on the car. So now we're going to show you how well it drives. So come along. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty, here's our cold start. Well, it's actually really... Okay, so it's not really a cold start because we brought it up from the basement. And the choke is already in. Temperatures are just above cold. And we are going to warm it up because it did start. And, well, you guys all know me. You're going to understand that I think that touching the engine cold start thing is kind of moronic if you're buying a proper car that is in good condition, because it should do everything it's supposed to do. I mean, the factory doesn't send you a cold start, does it? They don't touch everything. So it started, and there's nothing really to deter from this DB4 because it is exceptional. Again, one of my favorites. The restoration has stood the test of time because it has absolutely no faults. So we'll be back to you as soon as it warms up a little bit. We're going to take another route today, hoping to have a little more light, and hope you enjoy it. Alright, well, we are definitely at operating temperatures, and we're going to take it right on to the parkway, give it a couple miles. Maybe we'll splice it a little bit because there's just so much cruising you can see. Then we'll take my favorite on-ramp on the way back. So DB4s are some of my favorite. I don't want to offend the DB5 and DB6 owners because DB6 is also a favorite. But it's almost like they're really two different generations of DBs. The DB4 has this sort of growling Spitfire sound to it with two less mufflers. It doesn't have the intermediate mufflers. And has the earlier dash layout. And it's got 4-speed, which I absolutely love. The 4-speed, I think the ratio is wonderful. And this car came with Overdrive. So as you can see, it's fifth gear and overdrive off. So they're great cruising cars. They're extremely bulletproof. I mean, there's not a whole hell of a lot to break. You don't, no electric windows. SU carburetors, so all you do is pull the choke, fire it right up, lower it. As it warms up and it feels as though it's ready to rock and roll a little bit rather than spit and sputter. And that's it. We always say it, and of course it's getting crazy because we do all these videos and a lot of it is repetitive. It's a great car around town, and it's probably one of the best vintage tour cars you could ever have. Does everything right. This one's outfitted with suspension kit, telescopic rear shocks. I don't know what else to tell you guys other than in 2 seconds we're going to be entering the parkway yet again on my favorite on-ramp. We're going to be doing our flybys, and you can hear it from the outside. It's really cool. Here we go. On-ramp. I really like that one. It's a little off camber. You see the car revs really well. And even without overdrive, we're running at 60, 65, just cruising. And overdrive again. It really does lug in overdrive, so, you know, high-speed cross-continental touring maybe. New York's Northern State Parkway, not so much. So we're going to get off right over here. Wonderful road for our flybys. And as you can see, it brakes exceptionally well as well. We're going to do our usual down this block. We're going to make a right, let Jason out, and flybys it shall be. We're going to try one without the headlights on, one with, but I think we're going to be fine. I mean, we're going to be fine. There's going to be Christmas soon. Hanukkah, Christmas, whatever you'd like to celebrate by the time this guy gets out of the way. Well, we're hoping we have the last bit of light. I hope you really enjoyed the flybys, the road test. This is an excellent DB4 in every way. It's been known by us for years and years, and years before for that matter. And we look forward to giving it a good home.